What's up, guys? Hi all. Hello, everybody. How we doing? How's it going? Are we all amazing? I see that I did not miss much. Like normally I would get FOMO and be like, oh no, I missed so much. I did not miss much. We've only had some movement now in the past, like, what, 15 minutes? Yeah? 45 minutes. Which is cool. I feel better then. It's not the Maya effect coming into play, which is awesome. But now let's have a quickie look-see, right? This is all we can do. We can see what we can get. We're definitely still at all-time highs. Hasn't quite closed off, or yeah, hasn't quite filled the new weekly opening gap, but it is on its way. It do be on its way. Here's London low. Just making sure I mark out everything now. So here's London low. Hey Zeus, what's up? How you doing? Thank you. Sorry. Okay, dokie. I'll mark out this level here as well. I feel like that's quite an important bit. I'm just gonna change the style. There we go. For the liquidity purposes. Right, that was this morning. Patience pays. Reminding myself not to let FOMO take over. What's up? Zeus, you're currently in cells. Why? Out of curiosity. OTT? Hi. How you doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. Seriously. I hope you're all doing amazing. There we go. Done and done. Being in cells is brave, yeah? Aw, Louie, how are you doing? Okay, but Zeus, hear me out. Why? Out of curiosity, I know that sounds very judgy. I'm just genuinely curious. Why did you take a sell there at? You said 8... No, sorry, that's your stop loss. Your entry was at 784. Oh, damn. Okay, so you've literally, like, just gotten into a sell. Stop loss at 872. At 872. Good grief. Okay, that's quite large. So I'm assuming your TP is big as well? Question mark? I don't know. Is it? Frozen market maker, he knows things. Clearly, OTTB and you clearly didn't get the memo. Somewhere along the line, we lost the memo. Which sucks. Okay. As per my personal entry model. Damn. Okay then. Let's see if Zeus is onto something. How much time have we got until the new opening? Okay, so we still have a few minutes, which is cool. Let me quickly block out everything. Let's do another daily quick sticks. Already marked out London low, so that's cool. Daily. I mean, it has been going up. Just slowly. 888. Okay. Everyone potentially thought that today was the day that we see it dip back down. Is it? I'm gonna trade what I see. Hey, Pyeong, what's up? How you doing?
Hi! Hi!
Hope you're doing well. Hope everyone's doing well. But we are, yeah, we're getting this going. How am I? I'm good. How's everybody else doing today? Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Range day today, tomorrow drops. Interesting. Louis, I am very much agreeing with you with regards to the range day. Today sucked. 4 trades. Didn't even take a trade this morning. Sat you for 3 hours. Didn't get anything. About to close the new weekly. Might take today off. I'm drained. Did you have a nap during the day, OTT? No idea about trading, especially US market. Interesting. Okay. What? So you know nothing about trading, or just are you saying specifically US market? Louis, why are you saying are you sorry? Oh, because of this morning? That's fine. It's fine. You know me and the range days. We're not besties. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Sad. Let's check the 15-minute now. $15-minute, 5-minute. I mean, it's nearly closed the new weekly. Opening gap. Go get him. Go get him. Yeah, go get him. I don't know. Yeah, there's a car. Beep beep. Ah. That's weird. Why? Zeus, that makes no sense. I'll have to go and see what's happening. Let's see. I only have 3 hours of sleep. Able and the power of willpower. Damn, OTT, why? Also though, hear me out. Hear me out. You are young. I feel like that is something you should be able to do. No offense. No offense. No offense. But, you know, you're 21. That should be like... meh. Whatever. Why do I do this? Games is life, apparently. Yeah? Is that... I feel like that might be the reason. Games is life? Yeah. No. Hey Atlanta, what's up? How are we doing? Are we ready for this day? Do we think it's actually gonna bring anything? Sorry, that's just me being negative. I'm sure it will bring something. It was literally ranging between the bob levels during London. So you can see it dropped down, came right back up. Messed around a little bit here. Yeah, went back down to midnight, and now we're gonna go up, and away. What time is it? It is 24. Okay, so we have 6 minutes to go still. Let me close all of this. 12 minutes to go still. Not 12. Wow. I'm 21 by law, but 44. You know what, OTT? You got me there. You did give me that. I'd go for you with the London this morning. London was rangy. London was just rangy. That's about it. Just waking up, going to be an extremely lazy day for Half-Life. Okay. Love it. Love it. $9:25. Okay, 5 minutes to go. I know that there's some conflict in what people think is going to happen today. I'm sticking with the opinion of trend is friend until it's not. So bulls. Right? I know other people believe that today might be the day that it starts to drop. I've also heard that this could just be going sideways. So let's see. Oh, okay, OTT, you better, yeah, go hands off right now. 4.5 minutes. I got stupid amount of profit today. Low win rate strategies are so satisfying. Oh, chill, dude. I saw that you posted it on Discord. That was very impressive, can I just say? Color me impressed. That was awesome. Okay, 4 minutes to go. Angry Bob, I think it's gonna rip, become a bull trap and flush very hard, but later on in the day. Truth is, no one knows what will happen today. True. Your draw from there for long, also high inside for our bit. Yeah, more likely gonna fill the new weekly opening up. I mean, to be fair, it's right there. It won't be hard for it to fill the new weekly opening up. I think that's also, it is right there. I mean, for New York, what, that could be one candle situation. 3 minutes to go. Let's see what we get. Let's see what happens next. 2 more minutes. You're more into the countdown than I am. Good grief. So, Joy, what is the wicks looking like now? 220 on the ears, where my alert is set. And then you're going to take a sell? Oh, yeah, is that your plan? When it reaches 220, you're going to take a sell? Cool. I'm assuming, right? Give me 2 seconds here. Burp, 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 burp. Turn that down. Well, that's gonna be irritating. And yeah. Close. Your timing's a little bit off there. A little bit. The message is coming through like 20 seconds too early, Louis. So when do you think the markets are going to get back to normal? When the world gets back to normal, I guess. That's a bit of a difficult question. On the 1 hour, the Wix is going down. Oh, interesting. Okay. Last minute to go. It's about to create an SMT on ES. Just out of curiosity's sake. What's up, Dom? Obviously. Go have fun. Hi, how's everyone doing? Okay. 20 seconds. 16. 11. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
We have to go up and later we have a correction. Awesome. Bit of a solid rejection there. Let's mark out all the levels we have to mark out here now. Yeah. Very big volume spike, but it didn't go like woo as much as I thought it would. Still a big volume spike, don't get me wrong though. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh, that was a good rejection. Damn. The 930 range. Oof, that was a solid rejection off of that bob level. Whoa. Wow. Under this candle entry short bob level. Oh, Dom, that's so funny. Sorry, I only read that now. I was just thinking. Down we go. Bob to bob. I could be wrong. Well, let's see. Let's see. A little bit of liquidity there. A little tap into there. Okay. Let's see what we get with the rest of the volume. 2, 1. Oh yeah. This is a really good opening for longs. You want to see a lower open. Really? What's up, Tamanta? How you doing? So, OTT, you want to see it take out a few more lows and then go back up to the buy side, right? Alright, ES does not look very good right now. Look at ES. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see what we get. I'm in bed now. Wait, doing it quickly. Thanks, Auntie. Says the one lying in bed. Yet I'm the auntie. Make it make sense. And obviously, this was a little wick here on the 15. Might retest the 50% of the new weekly opening gap. Down here at 722. And then get a continuation back up. Hey, Havel. No, I'm not in any trades right now. I thought it hit your... No, it didn't. Didn't it? Oh, for crying out loud, sorry. There is very much a candle over here. It just disappeared. Sorry. Though, that being said, it does mean that a first presented fair value gap was presented. We're just missing a candle right now, but we're gonna pretend this is Harry Potter. There's just floating candles everywhere. Sorry, there's someone hooting. I don't know if you can hear them. Small little fair value gap being used as a point of interest for hire. They start hooting again, I'll go outside. Okay. But I ain't expecting nobody, so. Zeus? Wait. Oh, it's 7-2 was your stop loss, sorry. I was about to be like, wait, what? Nice, well done. At first presented. Definitely presented itself there. A little bit of a rejection. So here's the 930 range, here's the first presented. Yeah, don't love that I tap back into the bob level. Let's keep watching and see what we get here. What's up, son? How you doing? So I'm pulling a little bit of a face at ES right now. ES does not look great. Oh, okay. SMT created there. Here we might see a slight pullback. We have an inverse play value gap, that's about it. About all we got for this one. Never mind, that's not ideal. Okay, and here's the 5-minute candle. We're still in this 5-minute range. I'm just gonna draw this like so. OTT? I don't know if you heard me ask earlier. I'm not sure if you have. Have you watched the new Avatar movie? Hey, Ndubu, what's up? How you doing? Let's see. Oh, damn. Oh, no, damn. Well, I said that looked like it was about to be a really decent rejection off of the first presented and 5-minute 50% gap, but it hasn't broken above the 5-minute at all. This thing might be going back down soon. Trend is friend, trend is friend, trend is friend. I have to keep reminding myself about that. Reminding myself not to do something dumb. Too dead here, no real entry yet, boo. Oh, Louis, I hear you. 2-4 next. Hey, Ubuntu, what's up? What? I'm sorry, you think this is dropping all the way back down to 2-4? Sorry, 24,000. I'm all the way down now, something. Good morning! What's up, Green Globe? How are you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Yeah, it looks like it, hey? A bob to bob level happening here. Yeah, so that would not have worked out. Oh, okay. First presented for who? No one gives a damn about this first presented today. Wow. How's this look on the 5-minute? I have one. Shoot. It's not an A+ setup. Ah, there we go. Okay, tapped into the bob level. Nice. Soul TP and... Oh my gosh. Louis, wow. To check 15 minutes. Okay. Wow. Wow. I'm just being called auntie. What is happening? How's that, OTT? Happiness? Cool. Okay, it's getting close. What, to ripping back up? Oh, you are welcome, young one. Hey, you are so welcome, little one. Pretty solid rejection. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Let's see what it creates, but I mean, there's still 3 minutes to go. I don't know if it's gonna create anything for me. Let's see. Young one. You calling me auntie? You are a young one. That's how it works. If it closes below VWAP, that would be good. Back down to midnight open would be great. This is the pullback and continuation down. Oh man. I'm saying oh man for ES. Let's watch what ES does. ES tapped into the 50% already. Rejected off it nicely, but now it's pushing back up again. 5 minute. Ah, not on ES, my bad. 1 minute in ES, 5 minute on NQ. To be an auntie, the gap should be around 7 to 10 years. No, maybe different in different countries. Ha. See, I'm not an auntie. Because you're 21 already, right, OTT? Right? You better say yes. Okay. But chill, dude, you are not wrong. Technically, especially so with Afrikaans, it's a tunny, and it is. I think if you're anyone 10 years older than you is a tunny. In India, if your uncle auntie me that you're so. Oh, that's ready? I did not know that. That's interesting, Louis. That is super interesting. I literally did not know that was a thing. Okay then. The more you know, right? It's not Fun Fact Friday, but we're getting some fun facts already. I love it. Starting this week off with a bang. NQ, the sellers are here. On ES, not quite yet. I know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say, I'm curious about this, and then be utterly disappointed when it does not work out. Or more like, just be like, what the heck, when I potentially don't take it and then it works out beautifully. Sure, ES is wanting to push, NQ is not letting it push. Are you celebrating 420? Oh, no, I'm not. That's hilarious. I didn't even clock that was today. Ah. What if you... What is it? You persuaded. It is 420 though, some of these. So they're gonna make big money today. Maya is 7 years. No, 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 no. Are you currently 21, OTT? Are you currently 21 years old? If the answer is yes, then I am 6 years older. Just saying. Hence, not an auntie. It's just me that sees this as wanting to go back up. Oh, damn. When are you turning 21? You upside is reverse the sun. What really? We gotta blow some bubbles outside. Oh my gosh, please do that and film it. That is hilarious. What's this? Oh. Okay, have a look. Stop loss and profit, 100. This is boring. Hey, Green Globe, am I buying? I'm considering it. Not to like ruin your morning, but whatever you just said, lies. What did I say? What did I just say? What did I just say though? I mean, on ES it's pushing up. On NQ, it is not. Well, I want to use bias signals. Oh, good luck. You might get some of this though.
Emotional damage.
Green Globe's what makes me want to buy. Ah, dang it. Oh, that would have hurt me. That would have hurt me bad. Would have made me cry. Ooh, rough. Rough. Go on all. Wow, wow. Well, if people call me you're definitely auntie. I don't like that you guys can bully me. I am not an auntie. But I am an auntie, but I'm not an auntie. I feel like I'm not old enough to be an auntie, though I know that what you're saying is true. Doesn't mean I don't like it. It's going down, 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 even if the sky is falling down. Big down comes. She'll do it, I'll wait. Trust it's low-key what I'm doing now. Tapped into the order block on ES. Guys, please, please let Monday bring something decent. That would be grand. That would just be absolutely grand. Oh yes, 665, here we come. Why did you decide to do 665? Out of curiosity. Louis? I moved my TP, I couldn't leave it. That's valid, Louis. It's also got a TP engine to it, I'll enjoy. If you're old enough to have a sister that could have already potentially had a kid, then you're at auntie age. I mean, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out though. Any woman from 13 years and older could potentially have a kid. Not saying they should, and they definitely shouldn't. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, that's gonna get me cancelled. No, I just said that. Oh my gosh. Have you thought about collabing with other streamers? Yeah, it's just I know for a fact that my Wi-Fi would have a mini meltdown. Remember, I have collabed with Boom before, I collabed with OTT before. My Wi-Fi had a little mini heart failure. Yep. Hey Jamad, what's up? How you doing? What's my strategy? My strategy is a little bit of a mixture of ICT, SMC, and market auction theory, kind of just smushed together. Brutal down. Yeah, info. If we touch almost touch VWAP, it reverses and we can look for longs there. Oh, okay. I see the conflicting views have already started. So early in the morning. This is about to be fun. Dom thinks once it touches VWAP, we might potentially see a little bit of a reversal. And Ubuntu says the thing's just gonna keep going very far down. Oh, that's not a good. I'm sorry, Louis. I'm sorry. I had to just fact check you a little bit there. We might push up, just saying. Ah, look at that. Would have taken me out. And now it looks like it wants to go back up. Rude. ES and NQ are completely out of sync right now, which I hate a lot. Hey, I got $100. Ah, better than nothing, right? I'm undecided right now, son. Dom is a wizard, but it didn't go that close to VWAP. Unconsolidated zone, stop loss was too tight, I guess. That's good. I got you.
That's what she said.
Oh, sugar honey iced tea, man. Okay. So this setup would have taken me out and is now going up. Rude. Whatever. Just rude. I hope I can't even stop the last one. Between signal higher, signal high probability than before. I'm curious to see how it reacts here. How did I have this? Followed it down to there. Man, oh man. Oh, hello. Another SMT created. When you say sugar honey iced tea, you try not to say a bad word, right? Or is that a real essay say? Oh, no, I'm just trying not to say a bad word. That's not a real essay thing. People in essay just say the word. Ah! Start like dunked the microphone like twice. Yeah, that's just me trying to not, you know, have a what you call it? The potty mouth. Okay. Yes, that definitely would not have worked. Okay. Hello, have you ever traded ingolfs with an ISL? No. What's up, Silent Billionaire? How you doing? OTT, I thought you weren't trading. Sorry, I just saw it was to do with my horse groups. I was like, oh my gosh, is he okay? Boop boop for Dom, evening Dan, see you tomorrow. Cheers, Dom. Enjoy. Where was your entry even? Was it down here, OTT? Just found out it's near. You might actually go down or go break out to upside. The setup called for me, but I moved to the break even. Well, you know what, OTT? If it was a good setup, it's a good setup. Wait, did you take it on ES or did you take it on NQ? ES, I get. Said ES low-key looks real nice. Kitty. Down we go. Anyone else live in Hope Bay area? Anyone? Anyone? I don't know if anyone wants to like disclose their location though, Green Globe. 9:53 AM, pull back, tapped into a break block, which was a unicorn. Ah. Okay. Do you just mark it in on those, OTT? No, it might come take you out here. Alright, I just saw. I just saw this. Dag nabbit. One just got edged 3 points away. No ways. One, two, three, but I don't love that it's there. I don't love that this is happening. Definitely took. Yeah, definitely would have taken that out. Is it just me or is this giving range vibes? Sorry, maybe I'm just being a bit of a baby. TP1 just a bit high. No. OTT, that is so rude. I cannot believe it. What the actual heck, man? I'm never sure that IDI's again because I know what it means. Yeah, just saying. Just saying, careful. 10 Qs in a range. I know. Hey Anthony, what's up? I feel like I'm gonna yell at myself. I feel like I should have taken this trade. If I want to buy, oh wait, for what? For the candle to reject from 711. I feel like I need to be trading ES today. ES looks good. ES looks clean today. NQ, not so much. I realized that nowadays fib retracement zones don't work as well as before. Yeah, but no, I'm not really using a fib, so silent billionaire me. Hey Atlanta, what's up? I feel like I'm gonna be punching myself potentially. I actually wanted to take this trade. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Clearly there's a bit of a support zone over there, but it wants to break it. If it breaks, then sell it is. Oh, thanks Atlanta, appreciate it. Break it crazy. Okay, buy side might actually win when the range ends. You really think so? It looks like it, well, it's been winning on ES. That's all I can say. ES looks rather good. I feel like there's fights happening right now. The buyers are just not letting the sellers come to play. Until now, potentially. Let's see. I think I should have not entered. Dingy! Yo, it's being like, remember what you said? I'm gonna remind you again that maybe you should have listened to me. And you know what I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna do one thing and one thing only.
Emotional damage.
Because we know that that is NQ's love language. Damn it. Sorry, I'm watching it on ES now. It looks like it's gonna work out. Tapped into that auto block. Sorry, I'm also trying to listen to myself with don't diddle in the middle, right? Don't trade in the middle of a range. It's a bad idea. I'm off for today, keep going. Aw, thanks, Anthony. Well, I'm selling on NQ now. Let's see what this is about to bring us. That's all I can say. Sorry, I'm low-key shaking my head at ES. I will show you why I'm shaking my head at ES. I'll bring the ES chart across now. Solidly shaking my head at it. Coffee and a breakfast. Oh, coffee actually sounds like a great treat right now. I could do with a coffee. Wow, I could really do with a coffee. Joy of travel, it is risky. Listen, I feel like anything when you're diddling in the middle of a range, is low-key a little bit risky. What are we looking at time-wise? Oh, where was 10 a.m.? Okay, so this was 10 a.m. Now we're having a bit of a 10 a.m. drop-off by the looks of things. Seriously, guys? Hey, Eugene, what's up? How you doing? Where have you been? How you doing? How you doing? Where you been? That's not a song. How's the song go? That's gonna bug me. That's gonna bug me a lot. Hey, Cosmic, what's up? How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing great. Hope everything's amazing. Oh, Eugene, you're getting asked questions over here. Are you a coder? Dun, dun, dun. Oof. Giving me some false hope over there and then just destroyed it. Awesome. 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 So far we are very much having a hands-off day. This is very much looking like a hands-off, don't touch it, don't look at it, don't breathe on it, funny. Let it figure itself out. Even during London, like I said, during London there was one trade that would have been a winner. The others all would have been losses. I've been trying to learn lately. Kind of feel like messing around with algo trading. Ooh, interesting. Am I married? No. Why? What's up? Hey, is it tear down or tear down? I'm assuming it's tear down. What's up, tear down? How you doing? $10 out of 9. Hands off for the range, hands off for the range, hands off for the range, right? Hands off, hands off. Oh, the FOMO is low-key killing me today. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. The FOMO of today is so real. No, it's not even that I used the incorrect range, it just would have retested too far down. I had a loss today, I don't think I'll take another trade now. Ah, yeah, Cosmic. Today's not great, hey? Today's really not great, but I mean, it is what it is. We have to just carry on. That's good stuff. I got a pretty sweet over there. Moving up. I've been sitting here on my desk for weeks, catching up with union trading, learning. I've been good. And yourself? I've been checking on Discord. Seems you hit some... Yeah, getting there slowly, Eugene. I feel like slowly is the key word, though. Yeah. Again, just slowly is the key word. Last week, it felt like April. The last bit of April was really starting to be back to quote-unquote normal. And now today we're back in this range. Yay. Do you see the pain in my face? I mean, oh no, I did. I checked the higher time frame already, Dom. I did get it right. It's from the program default payments and response I've been seeing a lot lately. That Bub wouldn't have worked, unfortunately. Oof, we just don't have enough volume. Where's the volume at today? Is it because it's Monday? Like, Do you want to know what this volume is giving me? This is literally what this volume is giving me right now. Eugene, you said it's about to break down. Break down now. Monday sucks. Oh no, don't worry, you're not the only one that thinks that. I know a lot of people actually that refuse to trade Mondays and Fridays. Majority refuse to trade Mondays and Fridays. However, I've also heard of some people that refuse to trade Wednesdays. They just say Wednesdays are just not the day for them. I think that's super, super interesting. Okay. When do you think it's gonna hit 24,000? Let's maybe ask that question. 24,000 is very far away. You said not trade Mondays, but honestly Mondays can be really... Yeah, Mondays are a hit or a miss. Today Loki feels ill is looking just like a miss. But it does. It just feels like Monday can be a bit of a hit or a miss situation. Either you get them and you get them good, or not so much. Oh, this today. This today is not great. Me too. I would take any other day. Wouldn't sit out just because it's Monday. There we go. I hope you're right. Tuple would be amazing, but more likely to happen tomorrow than today. Well, we're gonna have to wait for Ubuntu to answer that one. He thinks 24k is the next stop. I mean, that is very far away. That is ridiculously far away. Where's 24k? I'm scared to look. That is so rude. Wow. That is diabolical. Okay then. Wow. Ow, my whole back just clicked. Anyways, what's up, David? How you doing? Wednesdays for trend continuation or trend reversal, but Monday is mostly choppy. Nasdaq already hit the last expected spike towards upside. Only short sell opportunities left until next day. Not expecting any buy opportunity today. Interesting. Overdosed. Hi, welcome back, by the way. How you doing? It's bad news about stocks. Causes to pull stocks. Love the Screaming Beaver. Screaming Beaver, great name for a band. I mean, like a heavy metal band, maybe? I'm trying to sleep, but I thought I better come scream. I mean, that's valid. I get that. Performance on backdays. That is hilarious. Okay. I'm offended, but it's hilarious. Cosmic, do I trade? I use some ICT concepts. I don't want to say yes, I trade ICT. Nah, I use some ICT concepts. Here we go. We might, well, let's see. I want to see if we break below VWAP. I think we could be good to go for the sell side. But me thinks we have to break below VWAP first. Ooh, Louis, that could be hilarious and amazing both at the same time. I love it. I love it.
Nice.
Okay. Let's see now. Let's see now. We're getting close to VWAP. Getting there. Is anyone in anything, by the way? I've heard a lot of break-evens being hit. Haven't heard any TPs being hit, except for Dom. Oh, Dom, did I give you a whoop whoop? But it didn't even hit all the way to the tippy top. I'm confused. I thought you were going bob level to bob level. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we get. About to tap into VWAP. The sellers are definitely in on NQ. They are not here quite yet on ES though. The power of SMTs. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. Sometimes I understand the SMTs and I'm like, aha! And other times I kind of go, yeah, I saw that it was created, but sometimes it creates an SMT and absolutely nothing happens. Does that make sense, OTT? Maybe I'm just looking at the wrong things. Cosmic, you're saying, Did you ever win? No. Go have fun. What's up? Nah. This is low-key just a chop fest for me right now. Don't like where the entry is there. What happened? Okay then. Go have fun got a winner! Well then, just for you, go have fun. Whoop whoop. Well done. Mad love. Proud of you. Ooper duper proud of you. This I've hit? Nah. Now I lost my second phase today, not gonna lie, it's my seventh account. No! Cosmic, what happened? Early exits or early break-evens, but I can also be used as entries like ES took the highest entries and shorts can be in play. Okay, so OTT, the way you use them makes sense. Like early exit or move to break-even, or it's your sign to like trailing because it could like drop or start pushing, whatever the case may be. But it's the entries that just don't quite click. Like I understand it could then be the sign, right? That clearly like NQ is heavy with the sellers. The sellers are here on NQ, not so much on ES. Not always the, yeah. Seeing no progress after all this loading is heartbreaking. What changes when you get onto your second phase, Cosmic, if you don't mind me asking? Like, what do you, like, I actually genuinely want you to just like sit and think, like, what do you think changes once you get onto your second, or the second phase? No, Rudex, you missed absolutely nothing. This is still choppy. So this is so much fun. I'm not taking it. Yes, I can look for a reversal. Mm-hmm. I rushed. With the second phase. Hey George, what's up? How you doing? Good evening. I took 3% loss in one day. Ooh, damn. Yeah, that's a lot in one day. Bought on gold. Okay. Go get him, Bean. Looking along like I wasn't bearish SMT form. If to move from partial on the SMT form, I would have had a loss there because it did and noticed I moved it to break even. Okie dokie. Ubuntu, you still think that the down's gonna come? Like I said, I'll start taking shorts when VWAP is broken. Oh no. What's up? What happened? This will be amazing. Nice for free SMT indicators. But sometimes it's slow. Ooh, there we go. Look at you guys going for it. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Hopefully by that point we would have met. Right? Honestly, at this point. Like, it's moving. It's moving. Don't get me wrong. It's moving, and I know for some people this is like trading paradise. For me, this sucks. If you're using a source close. I don't know about close. There we go. So I mean it's session period. Yeah. That's it. Hey Chandy, what's up? Honestly don't know what we're using SMTs. I am Tangy. Wait a sec, guys. Be right back. Sorry, just had to go and double check what Perry Bean was barking at. I'm sorry, is there a Geordie? There's a Geordie. Geordie Bean, where have you been, bud? Long time no see. Sunday so far, I'm not feeling it. Nah, Geordie, this day sucks, not gonna lie. Don't say I've got break-even trade, not looking for anything else. Yeah, literally anything I would have taken today would have been a loss except for this one, but this is not an A+ setup. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Actually would have been a break even. No, I'm being a chop. There we go. Would have tagged me in. Oh, I probably would have moved to break even. This probably would have been a break even trade. Everything else has been meh. Aw, cheers, Rudex. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Hope it's amazing. Yeah, it's Jolly Bean. How you doing, Jolly Bean? chart show AMD it's showing a manipulation phase, but I'm scared to enter. It's a little bit choppy today, okay? Plus high five. How you doing? I need this drink because it's kind of my daily life. Oh my gosh, I hear you, Jordy. That's so valid. Did I just walk? No. Oh, sorry. It's just normally my hair's like this. That's probably why you thought I did a wardrobe. No, this is what I was wearing. My bad. Sorry, Louis. It was all an illusion.
That's what she said.
Why did my brain hear the high five sound? Because that's what we do, guys. That's what we do. Okay, you're right there. Yeah. Yo, you're not used to me having my hair just doing its own thing. Like a mad lad. Oh, this is so painful to be dealing with right now. So, I guess while we're waiting for this to break out of this range. Oh yeah, Jordy, the Maya effect is basically every time I end a stream, the charts start moving nicely. It's rude. That's what it is. Is Bulonox a prop firm? It is. Bulonox is indeed a prop firm. My brain catch that as a change in clothing. Oh, you know what? It's because it's trying to look for anything. Literally anything right now with this market. Which is valid, understandable, and relatable. You know what this market's giving me the vibes of? This is a 4R day. With the GAN box. Entry being at the 0.2. Right? Not bad, actually. Look at that. Probably would have had a 4-hour trade right there. Let's see. This is low-key. Let's see if we continue to get that. This could just be... Take it as a 4-hour day. How do I sign up? Oh, so sweet and simple. If you also want to check in the description of this video, there's a link that'll take you right there. You can go and check it out. If you do use the code Kanji and you're in the Discord, let me know. I've created like a VIP thing for anyone that has used the code. So if anyone here has used my code before, pop me a message and you guys will be added to the VIP Discord. Ah, yes, my effect. I'm familiar with the theory. Since last year, April. What a phenomenon.
Emotional damage.
Rude. How do we sign up for your course? I do not have a course. Oh, wow. Rude. You should do a day where you take only bubs bob trades, but trail your stop fairly quickly than compared to your other method. I mean, not a bad idea. Like I said, if I had taken the 0.2 level with this trade, would have been a banger. Okay, tapped into VWAP. Let's now see what happens. I've used it like 3.5 times already. Ah! Well, there we go. I don't have Discord. I go, oh damn, what happened? Kanji? Oh my gosh, why did you get banned? Good grief, that doesn't sound very good. Sorry about that. Hope you're okay, I guess. I love magic too. It's untraining view. Honestly, it's so it works every day without fail so far. That's rude. When you say that, because I've seen you pull so many bob trades that actually hit for some fat profit. No, I know, and it's like I said, the audacity is really there and really rude. Nope. Still not a fan. Okay, let's see if this breaks below. Then we could. Maybe it goes to take out the London low. Yeah, Tanji, but I mean, you can also check out, if you want, obviously. You can also check out Tradeify. Sorry, guys, I know you've probably seen this. The Tradeify 3.0 is awesome. It's not a subscription, so you don't have to pay monthly. It's a once-off fee. Done, and there's 40% off until the end of April, and you can get up to 5 accounts. Done. Yeah. But yeah, you get 5 users with the 40%. It's then a 30% discount after that. But literally once-off payment, so it's not a monthly. And they now also have 25k accounts, where they used to only have 50k and up. Now you can get 25k. Sorry, that's me. I'm done. Sorry, going back to the chart. How did you come up with that gap thing? Gap thing? My gap thing? Are you talking about my GAN box? That thing? Winter, you still saying short? Ooh, the pain. So much pain. Here we go. This could be something. This could be something. This could be something. You're welcome, Debbie, I think. Ah, so it's just my GAN box and then you just use these settings with it. Yeah, that's about it. Did I backtest this weekend? No. I did something else. I went to a butterfly sanctuary this weekend. Absolutely wild. Hammer! Stop! Hammer time! Ayo! 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 What's up, Hammer? How are we doing? Ooh, that was a twice times rejection off of VWAP over there. Yeah. What's the time looking like? Oh, damn. It's okay. No, it's just called a butterfly. I don't know. They breed butterflies there. Yeah. They breed refugee butterflies. Oh, that was hilarious. No, they are not housing refugee butterflies. That is so funny. I still absolutely hate what they've done on TradingView, but it's fine. Sorry. I'm looking at this. What's VWAP? Volume weighted value weighted average price. Oh, I mixed that name up again. Value. Damn it! I keep it is. I got it right the first time. Volume weighted average price. Sugar honey iced tea. I had it the first time. I doubted myself. Look at what happens. Need to just be better. Sorry, Louie. I tried, and then I messed it up. I do not like that. Bigger than me. It really bugs me. Debbie, was that necessary? But yes, you are correct. The L is indeed bigger than the S. And it's light. Why is it lighter? Is it just me? Okay, no, it was just me. It was where they were. Right? But yeah, the L just stands out a whole lot more than the S does. And it's irritating me. Give it a time and cross on the meeting. Hi. Alright, so you find actually can place wherever you like. Are they as effective? That's not ideal. Yeah, that's not ideal, but okay. Debbie, at least I'm not the only one. No. Is it actually? Thank you. No, it is volume. It's volume. I like the anchor better than the regular view. Why is that, Bob? What do you find is different or better? Both, I guess. Different and better. Better. Watch this one now work out. This would have been my entry over here at 0.5. That being said, can't be too hasty doing these things. Hey Azam, what's up? How are you doing? Got a bunch of sell side liquidity. Oh my goodness. Okay. Naturally, that's now working out beautifully. I haven't placed this. Okay. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. I see next long in your zone 0.5. That would have been a flipping winning trade. That would have been a winning trade. What's up, Lurk? How you doing? System not responding while I'm stopping. Yep. Mother fluffer. Gonna regret doing that. Anyways. I'm gonna delete that so I'm not upset with myself. However, this, finally. This is it. This is finally it. This is it. This is my trade. I don't know if it's gonna come back that far to get me. We're gonna go for 2 today. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. This is better. That is a whole lot better. Enter at 0.5 on VWAP. 3. Okay. Let's see if it tags in. Chill dude hit 2 stops. Oh no, wait, chill dude, I'm so sorry. Got stopped twice, one run for the day, my system not responding. Okay, wait, sorry. I know what Debbie wants. Debbie wants one thing and one thing only. When stop losses are hit, this happens. Just because it's unhinged. And I don't know how else to explain this. This channel. If not a little bit unhinged. Looking for that reversal. Hey Diogo, what's up? How you doing? I've now set this for a sell limit up at 714. Let's see if it goes back there. Oh no. I think it's gonna tap back into VWAP. No, just have a little bit of a little push back up. That would be great. That right there is finally an A+ setup for me. Is it gonna come back to tag me in though? I do not know. Do you know what's so frustrating? I'm so confident in this that I've placed 2 contracts for this. Maybe that's gonna come and bite me, but you know what, at this point, if I have to get a new eval and start just trading normally again, then it is what it is. Debbie, I can't believe that is like your favorite noise. Of all the things. My entry long on NQ is my stop loss. Oh, damn, okay, that's great. Gold is actually a buy market. That's interesting. I'm wanting it to tap back into VWAP RNES. Oh, I see it hit that support level. Okay. Well. Let's see. If it's a stop loss, it is what it is. No. Hey, Minimal, what's up? Shots on the same short, but my entry was a bit higher. Minimal, it didn't tag me in. This was my sell limit. This was my sell limit. Broken retested. This is going bob to bob again. Over and out. Oh, cheers, go have fun, enjoy. Hey Neil, what's up? It's the simple things in life that are often the most satisfying. You know what? I can respect that. Oh. I found out the whole life story about okay, let's go. Kidding me. Now I'm gonna research the... Wait, what was the whole life story of the okay, let's go kid one? You can't just drop that here and not... No! No, not tell me. Mother fluffer, and it was so close to tagging in as well. Don't love that's looking like a double bottom on ES. Okay. No, I said change it to 1. Oh my gosh. No. No. Sorry. Sorry. Not what I wanted. There we go. Seriously? It's one way to freak me out. Hey, Zeus, your trade is going smooth. Nice. Might stop to break even, but please market me. Go. I feel like this is teasing me, which is rude. Took the 50% on ES. Okay. I mean, I don't love that it's retesting that area a few times, but literally it just has to tap back into VWAP and go back down to Midnight Magnet. That's it. Please and thanks. 10 AM, 2 PM, I did buy earlier today. Now this is pull back, wait for change of character, and then buy back to current swing high for continuation. Hey! I don't know how to say your name. I'm gonna call you Kay. Is that okay? Can you answer this? Why am I looking at ES? Oh, they work together. Joy of Travel. ES and NQ work together. Kyle says we're going up. The closest you've got to footballing. Oh my gosh, now an adult who makes appearance in the theme parks and all the every teachers and people fully him. Wow. Wait, I missed this. Yeah, he's a kid that was on a show that followed people with interesting hobbies, straight into them. Oh, that's cool. Hey Desmond, how you doing? MD, this point is manipulation. Oh yeah, no, that's not what I wanted to see. Oh well. Like I said, this is the first A+ setup that has presented itself to me, so I was definitely going to take it. If it works out or not, it is what it is. My whole thing, this whole time, has been take my A+ setups. Now I'm just hands off. Whatever happens, happens. But wait, Louis, I was reading what you said about the okay, let's go guy. So, for those of you that don't know, talking about this meme.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, literally talking about this meme right here. Okay, it has to drop lower before I consider moving my stop loss a bit. It's a better double top over there. A little bit more. Better. Mitigate risk by half. There we go, done. Yes, buddy. Okay, boom. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. In and out. In and out. Freaking bob to bob over there, guys. Woo! That was cool. That was a good trade. You know what's so frustrating? I was thinking about just... Louis, what do you call it? Making it a naked trade, as you say, where I just wanted to actually remove my take profit and just let it go. Can you imagine if I did? Damn, there goes London low. Oh shoot, maybe I should have. Well, cool. Even if I'd done the bob to bob trade, it would have actually been a winner winner chicken dinner. That took me the whole day, but I finally freaking got my trade, my A+ setup. That literally took me the whole day. Guys, literally, I wish I was joking. It took me the whole day of waiting. But we got it. Might have only not changed your trade. I know, that's fine. Do you know what's hilarious? Gary just asked that, and as he asked that, I got a winning trade. Whatever. Anyways, moving on. Okay, 723. We're getting there. One trade at a time. That's all we can do, right? There we go. You guys can see the balance for yourselves. 723.30. One trade at a time. Okay, that was a goodie. Awesome. Like I said, that... I wish I was joking when I say that took me the whole day. I've been waiting for that A+ setup the whole day. Thank you. Step by step, exactly. One good trade at a time. There we go. We can get some whoop whoops going. Whoop whoop. Ta-da! I finally broke my losing streak. Oh, Minimal. Okay. I'm proud of you, Minimal. That was also for you. That whoop whoop was for you. That made me think I missed a Trump. Yeah, did we? I mean, that was quite a large... What happened? 9 minutes to the new opening? I don't know. That was quite... I don't say random. I don't like saying random, but yeah. Oh well. Maybe I should have kept the two cons. Oh well. It is what it is. Moving on. Oh, except that at least I'm taking my A+ setups, right? Taking my A+ setups, that is all that matters. Got another winner chicken dinner. Wait, 723. Okay, on to the next. On to the next. We're nearly at the point where I will be very comfortable starting to risk $50 a trade. Awesome. Okay, well, while I'm taking a little bit of a don't get excited, don't get cocky, you know, breathe, wait for the next trade. If there's gonna be one. Oh, it's nearly 11. Ah, there might still be one. It's fine. It's fine. Let's do butterfly of the day. Before I forget. I know me. I might end up forgetting. So let's do butterfly of the day. The one this morning was awesome sauce, just saying. The butterfly of the day this morning was very, very cool. Louis, I'm sad you missed it. But let's see what we get today. Yep, this is exactly what happened earlier. Oh my gosh, it's the same page. Okay, well... Clearly it just wants to be the butterfly of the day. Okay, I guess I'll show you what London's butterfly of the day was. I won't tell you any information on it, we'll find one more, but... Can you see? That's why it's there. This was butterfly of the day. Very, very cool. What is happening? Okay. Let's do common mother of pearl. So anyways, this was butterfly of the day for London. But this is our butterfly of the day for today. this is our butterfly of the day. So this one's actually like translucent. So the pink you see here, it reflects the light. Fun fact, guys, I saw this one. I saw this one at the Butterfly Sanctuary. How beautiful. This is common mother of pearl. She do be pretty. She can also look a lot like a leaf, as you can see. It depends on the weather. So yeah, fun fact. I literally saw this at the sanctuary. So, common mother of pearl, let's do this. Wingspan of 65 to 90 millimeters. She be big. Okay, she be big. White to pale green with greenish to gold iridescent sheen. Distribution is coastal and lowland forest from Eastern Cape along KwaZulu-Natal coast to Cozy Bay. Also in Afromontane forest along escarpment, especially deep wooded cliffs, to Swaziland, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo province. So habitat is forest edges, gullies, and coast. So naturally down here. Flight period is year-round, peaks late summer and autumn. Now, the Latin name is Salamis forestis. Salamis forestis. Nailed it. That is the common mother of pearl. Ta-da! That's our butterfly of the day. Okay, back to the charts. Yeah. I'm cycling, listen, marijuana, and you're in. What? Ubuntu, what's up? Have fun, enjoy trading. Nice. Been aggressive recent night. It hangs upside down and it's been pleasant. Upside perfect. I'm dead like hang me to. That is what? Realistic mold spots make it almost invisible to predators. That's very cool. The Master of Disguise, and then it opens up and it's blue. You're talking about the gold banded, right? Okay, one trade at a time. I think this means tomorrow I can start being a little bit more bold with my trading again. I'm happy with the whoop whoop. Cannot complain with the whoop whoop. It obviously took out a bunch of sell side liquidity now, so that's cool. Let's see if we continue going. Oh, the mother of pearl. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I thought the gold band. The change of character is about to happen. Okay, Toki. So finally the sells are gonna start happening. Do you know what's bugging me though? Hear me out. Stay with me. The thing bugging me is the fact that we didn't fill the new weekly opening gap. That's very irritating. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. That's very irritating, but it is what it is. We're gonna continue. Whatever. Right, keep double checking things there. 1101. That really was a big drop. Gold Bannon. How could it disguise itself as its life depended on? That's rough, Louis. Nasdaq going down in profit, open short, sell position. Hey, overdose indeed. Nice. Well done. Guys, I can't believe it actually took the whole day to get that trade. The whole day. Literally. I waited all of London and nearly, what? And an hour and a half, basically, to get this trade here. Whew, okay, what a day. What a day. Hey, Jufin, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Now we just keep on going, guys. On to the next, right? Suddenly broke below VWAP now. There we go. Close there, close there. Sellers are in play. Sellers are in play. It took a while though. Good grief. Hey, Rito, what's up? How you doing? Hey, Vasu. Yeah, got a nice little win there. Gotta keep on going, right? Let's see how it reacts at the edge of this new weekly opening gap. Why is there all of a sudden volume? We had absolutely nothing and now it's just flooding. Seriously, what happened here? I know Debbie, are you here? Did you go and check? Was there news? Was there a tweet? Did something happen? It is giving me something happened vibes. Don't know what, but something. Because now we have volume. Ah, B2, do you know what's frustrating? As I got into the trade and I saw it going down, I was really considering removing my TP, like almost having a naked TP, just letting it go. And then I thought, no, don't be greedy. And as I thought that, it just went. And I was like, oh damn. Ah, well. I'm not going to close my short sell position. I will wait 6 hours. Okay. I'm checking out bad news. Oh, those why? Why? What happened? Okay, I don't like where the entry is here. If the entry was actually down here, this would be a better trade. It looked more like that. Okay. My name is Brittany. Name of the unknown worry meme. So cool that I know about him. What? Oh, there we go, Louis. It's the little wins in life, I guess, right? Okay. Oh, Warman due to bad news, Marcus. Oh, okay, thank you, overdose indeed. I was like, wait, what happened? Oh no, this might be a runaway train now. Wow. I know, Louis. Ugh, it's fine. It's fine. Ugh, it would have been a banger. It is what it is. It is what it is. Learn not to be greedy. Yeah, I don't see any retests happening anytime soon, unfortunately. hello. There's a Perry. Reader's path to downfall. Exactly, which is why obviously it's a bummer to watch it continue going down, but in the same breath, I'm glad I wasn't greedy. Oh. Oh, damn, Debbie. Okay, so that's what it was. Vexy. Yeah, Vexy, go ahead. What's my strategy? So my strategy, sweet and simply, is it's a hybrid. It's market auction theory mixed with ICT mixed with SMC. Yeah. Wealth Nest Trade. What's up? How are we doing? I'm trying to not be greedy here. We did obviously just take out a bunch of sell side liquidity. But this is still not bad. Oh, that's good. A wealth nest trade. How long have you been trading for? Welcome, by the way. How you doing? Welcome to anyone that's new. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Oh, it just took out so much sell side liquidity. Let's zoom out. Let's check the 5 minute. Ooh, not quite. Sorry, I want to see it tap into the 50% of this. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it tap into the 50% of this wick over here. Sorry, lost the capability to English over there for a second. That is a huge wick and it just missed there. Bit of a bigger retest might be happening now. Let's see. Hey, Gabon, what's up? How you doing? And Barney, hi. How you guys doing? Where have you guys been? You just kind of low-key went poof, and now you're back. I think. Are you back? Where you guys been, guys? Where you guys been, guys? English nailed it. 11:10. Haven't happened there, took out the low. Oh, it just missed the 50% of that wick. Was lost in your dream. Like,
Nice.
I'll give you that. I'll give you that. That was pretty impressive. Also, though, it needs this. If I lose your capability to Afrikaans, I can't even Afrikaans when I'm feeling capable. You good? Lanta, what did you just say? Are you talking about this?
Nice.
What did I just read? What did I just read? Wow, wow. That was unhinged. Nice. Anyways. Yeah. Rejection off of there. Not quite as much as I would like to have seen. You know, I wasn't Atlanta. Out of everything, I thought people were gonna say that. I never, ever thought I would read that. But anyways, here we are. We're just gonna keep going with it. This may upset me. Let's see. This may start going down. See, laughing and smiling, it's kind of funny. Hey, Bonnie, yeah. I didn't take this trade though. Shoot. We might go retest here. Yeah, as I thought it had come to 0.2 to grab liquidity. I mean, I didn't quite reach there though. Oh, I mean, I could still reach there. Never mind. Let me shut up. I think this low-key depends now where this decides to break. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Nah, I would never / could never. I don't think that would suit me, to be fair. I don't think it would look good. To be fair, I don't know if I would have any work done. I don't know, maybe I need, who knows? Who knows? But nah, I never would do that. We got some buy side. Ooh, okay, this might be a little bit of consolidation. But it didn't quite suit that liquidity. It could come back again. No, it could go hot. So this is what it low-key looks like it might want to be doing now. And we've created another really big wick over here. Those wiki wicks are a little bit scary sometimes. Oh, I see Wi-Fi is lagging. Oh no. I'm just watching this carefully for a minute. The big wicks to the bottom do indicate that the buyers are kind of back in on the party. So maybe we're gonna range here for a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised. Didn't really sweep that liquidity trap for sellers. I need 0.57. Yeah, the buyers aren't really done. Oh, sorry guys, no, it's me. Apologies, hello Sweepy, what's up? Okay, let's give this a few more minutes. Let's see what this does. I'm not in this trade, by the way. Let me actually delete this before you guys get the wrong idea. Wasn't the worst trade. Maybe it does work out. It took out so much sell-side liquidity. It took out so much sell-side liquidity that I do expect a little bit of a bigger retest. I'm gonna be psychotic and hold too. Why? 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 Okay, I'm gonna give it like 3 more minutes and then I might call it. I mean, I've had my win for the day. It is basically lunchtime. Let's see what happens. It does tend to calm down here, and then the PM session might be amazing. I'm low-key jealous I'm not trading the PM session today. Oh yeah, Louis, essay is all about like animal conservancy and yeah, gotta save them animals. Going to blindly trust my indicators. Damn it, okay. Sweepy, could you tell exactly time of its expansion manipulation? Obviously got a good position, so it's all good. It's very green, so why not let it ride? I guess that's true. Are you just like trailing with your stop loss? I feel like I missed something. What happened? Eunice, what happened? Yep, dragging it up slowly. Nice. Okay, that's not bad then. Yeah. Okay. So here's this little bit of a bigger push coming back. Okay. In that case, guys, I might call it. Before I go, I'm gonna remind you guys this one last time. This Traderify 3.0. Very, very cool. Go check it out. You can just click the link. That's it. Sorry, I won't bug you with that again for today. Okay, I'm gonna call it there then. Okay, another green. Slow and steady wins the race. I know it's frustrating, but we are definitely getting there. One trade at a time. I have ever used Ninja Trade? I have not. Bonnie, no, sorry, I've not. I've heard mixed things about it. I've heard some great things and I've heard some meh things. So, are you gonna use it? But yes, okay, let me call it there then, guys. That was a very long, I can't even say I waited for the whole session for that trade. I literally waited the whole day for that trade. The whole day. Okay, anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I love you guys madly. I will be back then tomorrow, London and New York. Hopefully it's not another day of sitting and waiting. Patience pays, patience pays. Just have to remember that. Okay. I love you guys. I love you guys. It's Monday and I can't speak. Okay, it's fine. I love you guys madly. See you guys then. Okay. Trade safe. You guys are the best.